what all could be really traced? What are the things that you could really try and trace in this? So you've got the user needs or the stakeholder needs and the opportunities. They're traced to the high level product description or the features. And the features get traced down to the business requirements document and the supplementary requirements, which are basically the non-functional requirements. So these, you can call it as a functional requirement. And this is a non-functional requirement. So this is about how the product would perform. And this is what the product can deliver to the user. So what the user can do with the product is this business requirements. And supplementary requirements are basically how that can be done. Is it done through security? Do you have access? Do you have login? Do you have authorization? These are all security requirements. How well you can do that is basically the performance requirements. Is it quicker? How quicker can I do something, like the efficiency, effectiveness? What about for example, the availability? Is it available 24/7, 365 days a year? Or is it, what are the downtime? Is it not available during some time? Or is it available only for, let's say, during weekends? Because that's when people have got more time, they can look at this. All of those kind of things you define in the non-functional requirements. And that's what we call as FERPS plus model. The FERPS plus model stands for F is functionality, U is usability, R reliability, P performance, S scalability, and the plus stands for interface requirements, anything that you need to interface with, any other system, product, or application, documentation requirements, legal requirements, security, all of these that you connect with, any licensing and things like that. And then once you have defined the functional and non-functional requirements, you have got the test cases which you write. So that again, test cases could be system test cases, acceptance test cases, integration test cases, unit test cases. There's so many different types of testing, right? Unit testing, which is done by developers on the code. Then you've got system test cases or functional test cases, which are done by the functional testers. And then you've got the integration test cases, which is about how this product is actually interfacing and integrating with other elements in the product. And then you've got, what else do you have? Performance testing. Performance testing is about how this product is performing in terms of taking the load. If 10,000 users hit on this particular URL of this site at the same time, would it be able to sustain that load or would it crash? So that's the performance of a load testing, all those things.